Hi there again. So today I want to show you some abdominal exercise. This is a kind of nice exercise to strengthen your core. It's a very classic Pilates exercise, very basic and very powerful. So it works on your core, it works on your obliques, which is responsible for nice and narrow waist. And basically it helps to strengthen the back, so your back doesn't hurt as well. Okay, so let's start. So the first exercise is called ab crabs. You just lie down on your back. Okay, so you can place the hands like in this series. We're gonna place the hands behind the head. Sorry. So inhale, we're gonna knock the head forward. Exhale, we're gonna come up. Inhale, you stay, and exhale, come down. So you're gonna keep the neutral for the spine. So you're not gonna imprint. Try to make it flat. Try to have a little arch in the back. So one more time. Inhale, lengthen back of the neck. Exhale, come up. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale to come up. Make sure you're looking at your knees, so your gaze is at your knees. Inhale, stay, and relax down. So now we're going to come up just on exhale and inhale down. So inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale up. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Now I want you to bring your knee and lower down. And again, opposite leg and lower. And again. Every time you reach up, you exhale and down. And again, exhale. And keep your abdominals flat. And you see if something rising here, it means you disconnected. And down. And again, exhale and up. So hold yourself up here. And just reach your knees toward you and reach it away. Reach it closer and away. Keep it active through the legs, so keep it 90 degrees. Don't be passive like that. Okay, so keep it 90 degrees. One more time. And down. So now we're going to release the head and just relax for a moment. So the next exercise I want to do is half roll back. So just sit up like that. And now, as I mentioned, you're going over a big beach ball. Okay, so flexing forward. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, just gonna roll back. Look straight ahead. Look between the knees. Exhale and between the knees. Make sure you're relaxing through the front and stretching through the lower back. And again, exhale and up. Last one. Exhale and up. Now we're gonna add the twist. So exhale, inhale forward. Exhale, inhale. And one more time. And exhale. And come up. So you can do much more repetitions. It's just for you to kind of know what exercises are good for you. So now we're going to do series of, again, abdominal work. So more intense. So now we're going to imprint. Okay, so inhale, stay. Exhale, we're going to imprint. Tight for abdominals. Don't use your glutes. Relax for the glutes. And now inhale, bring one leg in, bring the second one. Exhale, stay here. Inhale, stay. Exhale, just extend the leg, bring it in. Extend, bring it back. And now we're going to try to make it smooth. Bring it back together. So now we're going to twist. So we're going to twist towards the bent knee. Try to keep your elbows open as you twist. Okay, activate through the legs, so very active through the legs and bring it back together. So now we're going to bend at the elbow, exhale, reach everything away, inhale, bring it in. Exhale away, inhale in. Keep your abdominals tight and make sure you're breathing. One more time. And bring it away and relax your head down. So now you're just going to come up and rest. So these are exercises. You can do each exercise about 8 sets each side. Okay? So that's it for today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!